In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage files in Hostinger's File Manager if you're looking to efficiently handle your website's files. Whether it's uploading, editing, or organizing, this guide will walk you through each step so you can confidently navigate your Hostinger hPanel. First, let's start by logging into your Hostinger hPanel. Once you're logged in, head over to the Websites section where you'll find all the websites associated with your account. Next, click on the Manage button for the site you wish to work on. This step ensures you're focusing on the correct domain if you have multiple ones in your account. After that, scroll down until you reach the Files section and click on File Manager. This will open up the heart of your hosting account's file system, typically found in the public HTML directory, which is its root folder. Here, you have full control over your website's contents. Now, let's explore what you can do within the File Manager. If you need to upload files, you can do so easily by clicking the Upload button located in the top menu. Whether you prefer dragging and dropping files from your computer or selecting them manually, this feature allows you to upload files into the current folder you're working in seamlessly. Creating or editing files is another crucial task you can accomplish. To create a new file, simply click New File, give it an appropriate name, and hit Enter. If editing is your goal, just click on the specific file and then choose Edit. You have the option to edit in a code-focused view or in plain text, depending on your needs. Extraction and compression of files are also feasible. If you have .zip files, you can easily upload and then select them, choosing the extract option to unpack them. Conversely, if you want to compress files or folders, simply select them and click on the compress option. For tasks like renaming, moving, or deleting files, Hostinger's File Manager makes it straightforward. You can right-click any file or use the options available in the top bar to rename it, move it to a different directory, or delete it, which will move the file to the trash. Setting file permissions is another important feature you'll likely use. Whether right-clicking a file or choosing Change Permissions from the menu, you can adjust the read, write, and execute credentials effortlessly. Common permission settings include 644 for files and 755 for directories. Lastly, viewing hidden files is a commonly overlooked yet essential feature. By clicking the gear icon at the top and enabling the Show Hidden Files option, you'll be able to see system files such as .htaccess that might be hidden by default. Understanding these tools and options should empower you to effectively manage your hosting files. Happy managing, and see you in the next tutorial.